Hello, how are you? Before PICLITE Enterprise, 40 years in the market, we traveling to you or we meet you in world, in Germany, Frankfurt, in USA, Apex, in China, Shanghai, in Dubai, we can see each other. But in this case, COVID-19, we are not able to see each other. We cannot show you the new product. We cannot discuss with you face to face. But we have a new way for the business. We call PICLITE on call. You can call me, make an appointment. We see each other. I show you the sample. I tell you the detail of the sample, or you tell me your idea, your concept, so we can make new product for you. This PICLITE on call, we will provide you more detail later. Thank you very much. Have a good day.